And in today's video we will see how to move the printer head to the center of your printer. Manually Carriage reset guide. So first one method 1, let the printer move the printer head automatically. Step 1, turn on the printer and wait until it finishes its startup process. Step 2, open the ink cartridge or print head access cover. Step 3, wait a few seconds for the print head carriage to move to the center. Step 4, once it stops moving, unplug the power cord if your printer manually recommends doing so before replacing cartridge or cleaning the printer head. The step 5, perform the required maintenance, then close the cover and reconnect the power if necessary. Method 2, if the printer print head does not move. So the step 1, make sure the printer is powered on and not starting up or printing. Step 2, check the printer display or status light for any paper jam or error message and resolve them first. Step 3, you can close the cover, wait a few seconds, then reopen it. Now you can restart the printer and try opening the cover again after installing the installation is complete. Next one, the method 3, use a printer maintenance menu. So step 1, turn on the printer, then open the maintenance or setting menu. Then after select head maintenance, replace ink cartridges or a similar option. Now the step 4, you can wait for the printer head to move to the maintenance position before performing any work. Okay, goodbye and thanks for watching.